Y'all, I have a new pet. I put this stale microwave popcorn that I popped that's outdated. I put it out here with some other scraps for the raccoon. And look what we have here. The raccoon came out, took something, a piece of food, and ran under the fence. In the meantime, a squirrel came down out of the tree. This squirrel came down out of the tree and is actually eating the microwave popcorn. By the way, today is Wednesday. It is July the 26th, 2023. I am in Jacksonville, Arkansas. Can y'all see him?
Good. Now come here. Let's go.
It's going up the tree.
Go on, jump it. All right, next task. Crouch and come through.
So the squirrel took a piece of popcorn and is actually eating upside down.
Get down and crawl through.
Looks like we're not going to get a lot of action from this squirrel. He usually moves very fast, but that's him gnawing on the popcorn. He's eating upside down in the tree. See how he moved his head? He's coming down. Coming back down, so he's grabbing some more popcorn. Okay, now he runs back up the tree. Oh wow, he climbs so fast. You will not believe this. He's way up there on the branch. Now he's on another tree in the background. There he goes. Much for that. I'll pause and see if I can get some action from the raccoon when he comes back to eat. Or the raccoons, maybe we'll bring more than one.
Let's go. You're not that green, so let's finish this quickly.
Now y'all can see the raccoon on that side of the fence, and it's going to come underneath it,
Next task.
and it's coming back. Let's see if it brings its cubs or its pals.
Come through.
And
Let's keep going.
so this is how they get over here. Okay.
Get down and crawl through.
Here we go. It's going in for the popcorn. I believe this may be the girl because her tail may not be as furry and bushy as the other raccoons. She's actually gaining weight. See how she grabs the food and then runs back. Gang, I was hoping that she would stay so I can get some better video footage, but she has been doing this tactic where she grabs the food, and sometimes she'll come and stand here and eat, as you've seen in other videos with the other cubs, and other times she'll grab the food and run underneath the fence like she did before. I'm going to stop the video right here, and I was hoping to get more of it.
Come on, we haven't got all day.
I was hoping to get more